G'day, Brent Vaughan here from Multi-Hull Central, and we're here at the HH Catamarans plant in China. We have the 44 and the 52 models being built for a number of customers from Australia and New Zealand, and we're going to have a special insight and understanding of what's going on behind the scenes to show you just the extraordinary detail and quality of construction that happens at this facility.
The $60 million HH factory in Xiamen, China really is a state-of-the-art construction facility, with 3 massive sheds and a multitude of 44, 52, 55s and 60s being built at any given time, with a launch and test pond out on the shorefront. Hudson, Paul and the team showed great hospitality to the new owners over the course of a few days, which included factory tours and also one-on-one meetings to specify their boats. We had a team of engineers working next door, drafting plans of every item and option on the boat ready for installation with precision. With half a dozen 44s currently under construction for Aussies, we took some time out to look around. Firstly, the lamination shop is incredible with the pre-preg carbon fibre oven-cured construction of these huge asymmetric dagger boards, longeron and crossbeams, and other components. This construction is seen in America's Cup yachts and provides the stiffest and lightest parts. Then further down we explore the HH44 being resin fused. The large female moulds are firstly laid up dry with an outer skin of epoxy fiberglass, then an inner skin of carbon fibre. It's incredible to see how much carbon fibre there is in these builds, and that's evident in the black colour. Again, this construction is aimed at providing the stiffest, lightest construction possible, and it's not really comparable to many other boat builders in the world, particularly on a production level. All of the bulkheads are carbon fibre, and the floor structure is taped and glassed so it doesn't creak or squeak. You can see here the 44s before being painted. We have one in the paint booth ready to go. The daggerboard cassette here is in 2 parts and then joined and inserted into the structure of the SC model, with the opening in the hull here. Alternatively, on the OC model, you have mini keels with optional winglets for additional lift. These keels are completely sacrificial and can be completely replaced if damaged. We visit the HH44 SC hull number 4, which is close to completion, and there's a flurry of activity on board. There's lots of work to be done. It's incredible the level of detail these boats are built to. The engine rooms have been fitted out and the EcoDrive Beta Marine motors have been installed and have good access. We also have a look at the 2 52s under construction for Australians, including the beast of an SC nearing its fit-out stage. The HH52 SC models are all carbon fibre and also now feature the EcoDrive option. It's clear this is probably the most robust and useful hybrid systems available, and we look forward to testing them soon. We enjoyed also the rigging shop, with 2 large carbon fibre Marstrom rigs have been imported from Sweden and were being fitted out. These feature some hardcore hardware, from halyard locks and mast reef hooks. We're also lucky enough to see the HH60, which was just launched and is commissioning stage, ready for its new owner in coming weeks. These are spectacularly beautiful yachts, as you can see from the high gloss finishes throughout. We look forward to seeing the first wave of new HH catamarans arrive in Australia later this year. For more info on the HH catamaran range, click here. To see other videos on the HH range, click here.